This is Judy Medore with the Oily Crafter with my husband Greg behind the camera. Today we're going to be unboxing our Glowforge Pro that we just got. We are excited to get it out and show you all about it.
So I want to point out this has got the little plastic inserts here that you pull out of the sides here after you cut that band, right? And then down here on the bottom you've got tape here along the bottom that you have to cut that tape loose. So extremely well packaged to protect it during shipping. So once you cut that tape loose on the bottom, you just pick up on the lid there and pull it off. Pull that cardboard back. You see the packing material inside there. A lot of foam inside of there to protect it. And there's the Glowforge down there underneath there. But a lot of good foam material there to protect it against breakage.
Now, one of the things they did tell us too, they said to keep your packaging just in case you need warranty work done, because that's the easiest way to get it back to them, and the safest is by its original packing.
So here's what we know about the unit. This is definitely, I think they said shipping weight is 103 pounds.
106, I think.
Something
I'm not
like
sure
that.
It included the materials box or not.
Anyway, long story short, definitely a two-person job. If you're trying to carry the thing upstairs, be very careful getting it upstairs. So, but here's what the thing looks like. Just kind of there out of the box. We got it out of the shipping. And you notice it still has a whole lot of foam inside of here that you still need to pull all that foam out of there. So they did an excellent job on packing this to make sure nothing got damaged along the way. So one of the things you want to be sure and do is follow the basically the instructions. You need to go to setup.glowforge.com to help you make sure that you get the thing set up correctly and safely. So once you go to setup.glowforge.com, you type in your email address and your password, and it takes you to this Glowforge Terms of Purchase and Service page here. So you'll definitely want to read through that and then check mark your box right here. And you want to please scroll to the bottom so you can read all of that. License restriction, user, basically your end user license agreement is what this boils down to. Come all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to hit I agree right here. In the video it says you're supposed to reach in here and you're supposed to remove these knobs right here. Remove the knob on this side, and then you're going to remove the knob on this other side over here. Okay. Now, so next step it says to gently remove the foam block. This contains the laser head, and then that's your camera right down here. It says gently remove those out of there. Right? So we're going to do that next. So then it says this orange tape right here, you have to gently remove this orange tape here from the ribbon. So we're going to do that next. Okay? So it says push down on this orange clip and it will pop off. Okay? Okay? Says something about...
I think you're supposed to push back on it, on the whole unit. Just a little. Are they talking about the orange thingies on the side? There's one on the side.
Yeah, so I got the two orange things. I thought they were talking about that red strip underneath there. So, because there's a red strip right underneath there. That's what I thought they were talking about.
We'll go take a look.
Let me go back. Okay, so this is the accessory pack here that we're that we received with the Glowforge box number 2. Our HEPA filter we ordered, but it did not come in today with the order, so we will we'll take care of that here when that comes in. We'll do another video about that. All right, Miss Gingerbread and Mr. Smokey,
Our 2 helpers.
our 2 helpers. Not much of a helper today, but okay, got it. Okay, you got more tape here on the top of this. All right, so that's our box here for the tray. So this is the tray here that we're trying to get out of the unit. So we're going to take that and we're going to put that in the bottom of the Glowforge over here. This is the Crumb Tray here. It came in the box number 2. So basically you take that out of the box, and with the front door down, make sure you're very careful with that ribbon cable. Lift up on that gently, and then slide this into place. Now there are some grooves in the bottom and it fits right in there. So we're good. Okay. Well, I was just going to say, the one thing I forgot to do a while ago is I forgot to told you me to go ahead and close this door here. You hear it kind of snap into place.
Go.
Okay, so we're going to pull that little orange piece out there. Set that off to the side. We're going to take this and we're going to snap this into place. Hear it snap. Then we're going to pick this up. And then we're going to there you go. Voila. So, all right, so it said only touch the black where it's black there.
Watch the tape.
Yeah, I got it. It said make sure it moves freely. Okay, I'd say that moves pretty freely. And it said put it at about the center. Alright, so this is the dryer vent hose that you use if you don't have the HEPA filter, which ours, again, is on order. One thing I do want to mention is it does say keep all of your original shipping material. It said if you have to have warranty service done on your Glowforge, you must have all the original shipping material. If you do not, replacement shipping material, packing material is $249, right? So now we're going to take this dryer vent hose. It's flexible, kind of an accordion style.
You're going to want to put the clip on the hose before you try to.
Well, so bottom line is we've got to take this,
Expand it out.
and expand it out, if I can do that. Mm-hmm.
This is going to be one of those places where you're going to want one of those adapters, probably, that I keep
Yeah,
seeing in the other videos.
you're gonna want an adapter.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because this is a real pain right here to try and get this on there.
Okay, I want to stop this so I can get out of your way so you can get back here.
So after a few minutes of messing with it, I actually finally got that dryer vent on there and got that clamp on there. So that's kind of a pain. I have seen some videos where they have an adapter that you just snap on there and then the dryer vent goes on there. So you might want to consider getting one of those unless you enjoy having a little aggravation in your life. So as you can see, what we did was we vented this directly here to the outside. We've got the vent here, window raised up, so we're good to go. The hose clamp is on there. Power cord plugs in back over here in the back, right there. Power switch is right next to it, right there on the side. Got it. One thing it does say is it says plug it directly into a wall outlet. Do not plug it into a surge protector. Do not plug it into a UPS. Plug it straight into the wall outlet. So that's exactly what we did. So then the next thing it said for us to do is to come back over here, and that little power switch right down here, flip that to the on position. So you can see you got the power on and the thing's all lit up now. Here's the next part of the setup right here. Connect your Glowforge to Wi-Fi. Press continue right here. Waiting to connect your Glowforge. Connect your Glowforge to Wi-Fi. So now what I've got to do is I'm going to come down here. I'm going to click right here. And I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say Glowforge. Right there, and I'm going to hit connect. And back over here it says device found. Okay, now it has my network here. I'm going to click on my network, and then I'm not going to show you my password, right? But you would connect your network. If for some reason your network, if you're not broadcasting the SSID, you would have to type in the network name, the SSID, and then the password, and then hit connect. So one interesting note that I want to tell you is save yourself a whole lot of frustration. During the setup, it does not tell you to enable airplane mode on your device. If you are using a computer that is connected to wired Ethernet and also has Wi-Fi, the problem is that you can connect to the Glowforge via Wi-Fi. However, it's still connected to the internet. That does not work. You need it to be in airplane mode. So the computer or the cell phone is only talking to the Glowforge. If it has a connection to the internet, i.e. via cellular or via another network connection, it will not work, and you will rip out your hair trying to figure out what is wrong. In this particular case, I found a support article on Glowforge that says enable airplane mode. That fixed my problem. By the way, I spent about 30 to 45 minutes trying to troubleshoot this issue. Thank you, Glowforge, for not including those information on your page to begin with during the setup. Okay, so what I wanted to do was I wanted to tell you we're getting ready to do our project. I finally got the thing connected. What I can tell you, when you go to set it up, do it from a device that is only connected via Wi-Fi. So, for example, if you have a laptop that only connects to Wi-Fi, it's not plugged into Ethernet as well, that would be a good choice. So what we did was we decided that we were going to do the what is that thing called? I don't remember. Do the test design, and we're going to use this medium draft board. So we got a lot of that in the kit, so that's what we're going to use. So we're going to take this, and we're going to lift this up and set that medium draft board down inside, down in there in the bottom.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's already set the head.
Okay. All right.
I guess it's on the inside.
There you go. So once you got your Glowforge set up and it's on your Wi-Fi network, so what you do is you go to app.glowforge.com, log in with your email account that you have set up, and then basically decide which one of these free new designs you want to create to do your test cut with. So basically there is over here, there's a medium draft board gift of good measure. A lot of people do that one. We decided that's what we're going to do. It's on medium draft board. We've got quite a bit of that included in the free kit, right? And so basically that's medium draft board, but notice that's kind of, that QR code there is kind of fuzzy. So I'm not sure what that means. So I have no artwork. So we picked this design here, which is basically the gift for good measure, and it's that little ruler keychain bit size thing there. So we placed the medium draft board in the unit like it told us to, set that there. We did a focus the laser there on the point where that is, and then we're going to come back over here and we're going to go ahead and do a cut here on the unit. So we came over here, we told it to go ahead and print, and we got the flash and the magic button, so go ahead and hit the magic button. So I think the placement on the screen, we'll have to read up some more on the placement on the screen because it looks like it's...
There's certain numbers below the circles. I just looked.
Okay, got it. But on the screen, it looked like... On the screen, it looked like it was all the way up in the corner. But as you can tell by looking at this, you can tell it's not right up there in the corner. So we're going to come back over here and we're going to show you back over here on the screen.
It's not all the way in the corner.
Well, in the corner, when I looked at the corner,
Maybe we misunderstood what it was telling us.
Yeah, apparently we misread it and we didn't get it all the way over to the corner. So, lesson learned, that's okay. We'll figure it out. So it took just over 4 minutes to complete that. I used the default size. What I can tell you is we misread on the screen. It looked like it was on the one view. It looked like it was right on the very edge, but obviously it wasn't. So we'll have to play around with that to learn more about it. But the good news is it looks like it finished. So,
All right.
So here's the finished product after Judy pulled the tape off of there. So looks fabulous. So we had a few challenges, but we managed to work through it, and we'll learn more. As we learn more, we'll share more. So thank you all for watching, and hope you have a blessed day.